y'all, this is Coded Pulls. Got something a little different today. Some dollar packs, Sun and Moon and Guardians Rising. Found this at Dollar General. Let's see what I can get out of here. This is my first time opening these dollar packs, so hope I get something good out of here. And I got a couple more too, something a bit more interesting. Diglett, Marini, Dark Energy. Alright. Guardians Rising. Gligar, Patrat, Steel Energy. Alright, last one. Guardians Rising. Ooh, I got something. Nose Pass. Oh, Lycanroc GX. Go badge. This would have been awesome. I didn't have this card already. Awesome.